Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change send media quality to high on Signal. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Signal app in a device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on data and storage. Next, you can see the option of send media quality. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of high. Tap on it. So, this is how you can change send media quality to high on Signal. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.